Pretty close.
Yeah, it says 5.6.
Okay.
Getting switched over to canola. We're not done the wheat. We still have 1,000 acres of wheat to go, but we're going to get switched over to canola, get some canola in before the big rain event this May long weekend. So we filled last night. Then we got rained out. Big thunderstorm rolled through, so getting calibrated this morning. We're going 2 shims on the canola. It's going to be nice and shallow. Took 1 shim out, targeting about 1/2 inch for that canola. Didn't touch the mid-robander depth from the wheats. We got a split rate of urea. We got MST going down. We got canola going down at 4.3 pounds per acre. This is in Vigor L356 canola, so a little bit later maturing variety. So we're starting with that. Hopefully it's not too much later. We've seen a lot of L340. We really like that. Hopefully this is a good yielder for us. That canola doesn't need to be buried very deep. We got good moisture. We got more moisture on the way. As long as it's in the ground, dirt covering it, should be good. I'm going through it. Check the investment right there. Yeah, 1/2 inch right there. Mid-robander trench. Also not very deep. Right there. That's good. Just ideal seeding conditions. I should change my screen from the saddle tank to, or from the flex tank to the saddle tank. There we go. That's my saddle tank. That's my canola in there. I only got 3 bags of canola, good for 30 acres. So we'll see how close we get to that, and we can double check our rate off of that. If I ran out or if there's a little bit still in there. Had to put the barbecue cover on the canola bags last night or else they would have got soaked. This is seed size A, which is the smallest seed size. Favorite is the seed. A little bit bigger seed. Don't want the seed so light. It's quite the spill. I cleaned this out, so there's more room in there to stuff more empty bags. Pumping. Keep going. And now it's trying to shower here. Chance of showers today and tomorrow, and then an inch of rain for Friday. So we're trying to get this canola in before then. It is May 15th today. You don't want the fans blowing in this humid air when it's raining, because it'll plug up all your manifolds with that moisture. So we'll see what it does here. See if it actually starts to rain or if it's just gonna spit for 10 minutes. Okay, I stopped. Shut the fans off. It's wet. On the edge. It's bright to the north, gray to the south. Farmyard's over there. Dad says it's raining at home. 5 miles away. Well, go home, do something else for a bit. I think it's gonna blow over and be sunny here in, I don't know, 30 minutes. Refill the coffee, come back up. We're back in business. Sun's out. Had a chem delivery and an ice cream sandwich. It does a lot better job when you're not seeding into mud. We got another cloud inbound. This is the way it used to be. You get seeding, seed for a few days, you get a shower, quit, do something else, get back going again, rain, do something else, not start seeding and seed all the way until the end. Finally the patterns are turning around, hopefully. Getting some showers, quit, get going again. That's a big mean cloud right there. Wind kicked up here. I think it's going north. The Hafford, Saskatchewan area is getting it. That's what the radar is telling me. Just gonna catch the edge of it. Sprinkle for 20 minutes and then it'll quit. I'm almost empty. Seed truck's sitting there. I just found my side wiper. Well, we got lightning all around us, so good thing I'm not in a giant piece of steel. I'm gonna have to shut down again. Front wiper, side and back wiper. Truck's waiting, my dad's waiting to fill. I'm almost empty, but we can't fill in this. Man. Lightning all around me. Get to the end of the pass and shut it off again. It's raining. It's raining. It's wet. That'll be it for here for the rest of the day. Maybe down south, where it's a little sunny, I could go spray. The big rain is over. Too wet to seed. I'm gonna try to get loaded at least. Be full for tomorrow. Well, we made it in the field. Got filled up just before the rain started again. Oh, I'm gonna get out of here before I get iced by lightning. My smooth play of the day is when I came back to the drill at lunchtime. I took my jacket off and put it on the front weight of the Fendt while I took a leak. Well, I didn't pick my jacket back up, and so it's in the field somewhere, and I probably seeded over it. So I'm gonna try to find that. My nice Borgo jacket with my gloves in the pocket. That could be anywhere. I see it.